your feet are sore and tired after a long day, you have got to check out this RENPHO foot massager.
It's designed to relax tired feet after long days, workouts, or just hours on your feet, maybe even for pregnancy. It combines deep kneading, soothing heat, and adjustable air compression to target every part of your foot, from your toes to your heels. And you can choose from 3 compression modes and 2 kneading speeds, or you can focus pressure just where you need it most, like insteps, arches, or heels. The heat can reach up to 131 degrees Fahrenheit for deep comfort, easing muscle tension and improving circulation while you unwind. It's made with easy to clean PU leather, and it's got removable washable liners, so it stays fresh even with daily use. It is the perfect way to end the day. It's calming, soothing, and it's effortless self care right at home.